Starting to feel like Reign hockey here, boys. Here we go. Keep building, keep building. How you doing?
3 for 5.
Take it. Hey, I'm going through. You guys are good. Settle it down, talk it out, get it back. Keep playing, you're good. I think all the mic is going to hear is heavy breathing.
AHL preseason action is on the horizon this morning from Citizens Business Bank Arena in Ontario. It's the Reign Gulls in the Reign's 3rd annual Cool School game.
Hey! Oh, my daughters will be having a heyday right now.
Start singing. They said you know the words.
Oh. If they were here, I'd be singing with them. What do you want, Frenchman? You guys want to play or no? No? Something or no?
Sets. Come behind me and grab it.
Right now? Atta baby Philly cheese! Good shot, kid. Didn't want to do it with your lineys, eh? I got left! I got ya. 3! Me. Good job, boys. Good job, boys. Hell of a job. There we go. Great job, man. Hey, hell of a job. Heck of a job, boys. Great game. I went to skate tonight, Waddy. Good job. Hey-o!
TNVC, Tactical Night Vision Company, specializes in low-light and no-light night vision equipment for military, police, and recreational use. TNVC trains local law enforcement who use their products to help keep the Inland Empire safe. Visit TNVC.com to see all that Tactical Night Vision Company has to offer.